Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError, Bytes object is not callable. The error TypeError, Bytes object is not callable occurs when you try to call a Bytes object like a function. In Python, Bytes objects are sequences of bytes, and they are immutable. This error usually occurs when you try to use parentheses to call a Bytes object, which is not allowed. Here's an example of code that can trigger this error. When you run this code, you will get this kind of error. To fix this error, you need to check your code and make sure that you're not calling a Bytes object like a function. If you need to access a specific byte in a Bytes object, you can use indexing, like this. Let's run this code. Here is the results. Make sure to use square brackets instead of parentheses to access Bytes objects by index.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.